Okay, guys, I jumped on the game, the challenge for the Advent of Cybersecurity 2024, and I'm just about to wrap up for day one. So, our advice if you're starting just as a beginner, ensure you watch this introductory video. Ensure you do watch it with close attention, take down notes, and of course, put down every important note you need to put down because it's going to be answering most of the questions, or possibly it's going to be showing you how to answer them. Okay, my target machine, I have just 1 minute more, so I'm going to wrap this up quick. So you see, the first task done, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Seventh, which the obsec is main, where all the whole task are. And I just wrapped it up. So let me show you the machine. Okay, this is the machine also. So to encourage you guys to get your hands dirty, don't just sit and watch. You're into cybersecurity, yes, get the work done step by step. You fail, you start again. You have challenges, you look at the challenges and push them down and start again. So, guys, I would like to see both the ladies and the gents to get their hands in it. Don't do it as though you're trying to compete and win the whole prizes, but do it as a part of your practicals. And thank God this thing is coming at a time when you all are in your boot camp. Take care, guys. Yeah, see you.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great